New KADENA is coming tomorrow in less than 24 hours from now. We're going to be having a look at a sneak peek, which most of you guys probably saw on Twitter. And I really don't know what to expect on new KADENA. If I knew what to expect, I probably would have been buying a shit ton of KADENA right now, and it probably would have been leaked somehow on the internet. But right here, the Mike Heron, the CMO, I believe he is the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, CMO. He made this video a couple of days ago or a few days ago, 7 days till new KADENA. Now it looks like this is the new KDA logo right here, but I think there's way more and just than that. I mean, obviously it's not going to be pink anymore. I don't know if it will be pink. You could see that the logo right here got changed to green bluish with the black background. A lot of people were like, please don't tell me this is only about the logo. I don't think it's honestly going to be just about the logo. Obviously, I think there's going to be way more. I think there's going to be a lot of partnerships happening, obviously. So we're going to have to see what happens. I hope this is not some sort of, buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation. We could see that KDA right now is making a nice little move to the upside right here. Kind in a nice little trend line right here. So we're going to be having a look at the daily time frame in just a second and the weekly time frame. But something else I do want to talk about is this tweet that Mike Heron said right here 2 weeks ago. He said, update big contract countersign LFG, transparency matters, new KADENA. So obviously something big is coming, and obviously something massive will be here. And the big question is, will this be just a pump and dump, or will this be a massive pump accumulation type of situation? So if we have a look at the daily time frame, first of all, I said that KDA needs to essentially break this level right here, which is exactly what is happening right now. KDA broke this nice little resistance from October 18, 2022. So this was a year-long resistance that we were pretty much in, a year and 3 months, I should say. And now we're just essentially attempting to break this level right here on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if I actually take the 4-hour time frame, we could see that this was a resistance right here. We attempted to come all the way right here, got rejected, but we are forming a nice little inverse head and shoulder. Now, it's not the most beautiful inverse head and shoulder right here, but we are still seeing a left shoulder right here that formed a head and of course a right shoulder. Now, if I actually take this right here and I take it to the breakout, we should see KDA going to $2 in the next 24 hours. Now, we're gonna have to see what happens tomorrow. I think tomorrow will really dictate what the next big move for KDA will be, in my opinion. We could see that the volume is decreasing right here. As you guys can see on CoinGecko, the volume is sitting at $37 million. So after seeing a massive pump, we had a nice little consolidation correction followed by a pump again. The volume didn't come down so much. 10% of the market cap is currently being traded, which is very healthy. This is pretty much what we want to see in crypto. We want to see at least 10% to 20% of the market cap being traded right now overall, especially in this market. Now, something that I do want to talk about that's not really related to KDA, but it is related to the whole crypto market as well. We can see right now that the whole volume is actually increasing. Okay, since the beginning of the year, obviously, since August. I don't want to say the beginning of the year, but since August, the volume has been picking up at a very fast pace, and we know that the all-time high volume was sitting at $300 billion. Now, of course, we're looking right now at the whole volume of the whole global cryptocurrency, not just for Bitcoin. We could also see right here something that I do want to talk about is, of course, the market cap. We know that the market cap, the all-time market cap for crypto, was approximately $3 trillion. Right now, it is currently sitting at right under $2 trillion, I believe. Now, imagine what happens when the next market cap will be anywhere between $7 to $10 trillion. Now, I'm talking about the whole global crypto market cap. More people will get into crypto in this bull market. More people will find out. It will be way easier for people to get crypto. It will be way easier and more accessible for people to buy crypto. Imagine what happens when KDA gets listed on Coinbase. How many people do you think will buy KDA? How high do you think will that pump? So once we reach that $7 to $10 trillion market cap, I think that will be the peak of the next bull market, or this upcoming bull market in 2025, 2026. People could disagree with me all you want, but that's what's happening right now. A lot of money will be flowing into KDA, in my opinion. I'm actually very excited to see what's happening next for KDA. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a $60, $70, even $100 price prediction for KDA. This would bring it to a market cap of approximately $25, $28 billion, depending on the circling supply and everything else. If we have a look right here on the charts at the all-time high, we could see that we still have a long way, guys, to essentially reach the all-time high. We could see right here that the all-time high on KDA was sitting at $28. $28.5 was the all-time high for KDA. Now we could see, look at this volume. People don't realize that this volume, this spike of volume, highest spike of volume we have seen since May 2nd, 2022, which was of course in a bear market. Okay, so obviously this volume is insane, and the fact that we're seeing this in a bull market is obviously very extremely bullish. So I'm very excited for what is to happen tomorrow on KDA. I really hope this is not a pump and dump scenario. I really don't know what will happen. I partnerships maybe sign, maybe deals, new logo obviously will happen. I mean, the logo already came out, there's no question, everyone knows about this, that the new logo is out. We could see that KDA right here, that's the new logo. They've been using it on the KDA ecosystem right here, or on the KDA network, or on their the KDA Twitter. They all made a tweet right here: a new era begins on January 3rd, 2024. Don't be left behind. Now this obviously drives a lot of FOMO. Now only 58,000 people saw it. It's not a lot. Not a lot of people know about KDA layer 1. Not a lot of people. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm the only person who talks about KDA, but not a lot of people have been talking about KDA. And imagine what happens when all these influencers start talking about KDA. Imagine the price of how high KDA will essentially go, right? So hopefully very exciting things will happen. Someone made a comment right here that 200 trains will be essentially available. Right now KDA is operating on 20 chains or 19 chains, including the chain 0. They could do up to 480,000 transactions per second. Maybe a Coinbase listing is coming. That could be also it. I don't know. All I can say is that whatever happens tomorrow, don't get disappointed. This project is still amazing. I don't think we're going to get disappointed news, in my opinion. I think things are going to get very exciting starting tomorrow, and I think the real bull market starts tomorrow. But of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor at the end of the day. You guys shouldn't take this video as going all in on KDA. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my